Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to shop on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open the TikTok app on your smartphone and log into your TikTok account. Click on the shop icon, which is an image of a bag that appears on your main profile page. Simply choose what items you want to buy by scrolling down the screen. If you have determined the item you want to buy, click the Buy Now button in the lower right corner. Then select the specification, color, and quantity of the item and tap on Confirm. Fill in your complete address. On the order summary page, choose a payment method. Then select Place Order. After going through all the stages of purchase and payment, you just have to wait for the goods you ordered to be delivered to the address you wrote down. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.